Western Road Pizza Hut. How may I help you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Can I place an order for pickup?
Yeah, can I get your phone number? And your name?
My name is Big Dave.
And you're coming to the Western Road Pizza Hut?
That's the one.
What can I get you?
Can I get that new Big Dipper?
Okay, pepperoni or cheese?
Can I get it half pepperoni, half cheese, please?
99 in about 15 minutes.
Super, thank you.
No problem. Bye.
Goodbye.
No, 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 yeah. Yo, it's good something to eat, man. Oh, yo, what's up there? Look, cheesecake, steak, PB&J's. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. Taste testing with the best in the game. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. You can see him in the drive-thru, picking up the takeout he can dine into, yeah. Get the cooking, he gon' find you and slide through. Review, it's Dave, he's done.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. I'm Big Dave.
1999.
Perfect.
Card?
Yes. Awesome.
Did you want your receipt?
Please. What's your favorite thing here?
I don't know, probably the breadsticks or the boneless bites. Here you go, and it's just coming out. It'll
Great.
take a minute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome. Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Welcome back. By the Slice, Big Dave, Pizza Hut. This is some Big Dipper. Comes with sauces. Let's have a look at this thing. It's fresh out of the conveyor belt. Yeah. Just looks like those pizza sticks. They my box thing. I don't know. Looks like pizza sticks. But anyway, let's take a couple pictures of this. So you can get this thing in cheese or pepperoni, or you can get it cheese and pepperoni. I'm going to take a stick out of here. I think garlic bread with cheese, but no garlic. It's dough and cheese. You do get dippers with these things. There's a bunch of them, or two crunchers. We got hot honey, marinara sauce, secret sauce. Shh, don't tell anybody. And you can get two crunchers, crispy onions or crispy jalapenos. Well, crispy onions are really, they're just $2.19.90 anymore, aren't they? So we got the crispy jalapenos to try them out. But we're gonna try all the sauces. So first we're gonna try the hot honey. A lot of honey in here. Add some flavor to this Blanche thing. It was good enough. I went for a second dip. All right. Let's try the marinara sauce with the pepperoni. Could make it taste like a pizza. Except for the marinara sauce is cold. No sane person wants their marinara sauce cold. I'm not Italian, but I'm Italian enough to know that. Right, Giuseppe? Decent. Be a lot better with warm sauce. Shh. Lighthouse. Secret sauce. I opened that one up not very good. Okay. Not what I expected. I expected like a mac sauce, you know? This is really smoky.
Like a Chick-fil-A?
Not bad. Crispy jalapenos. Now I guess I'm supposed to put these on the bread? I don't know. Went over the price of this, right? $19.99. Still no tax. God, she's cold here. I forget things in this cold weather. Well, let's get it back over here. This thing would be a 2 if it didn't have the dipping sauces, because it's just bland as hell. Add the dipping sauces. I'll give it a generous 4.4. You tell us what you think. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share. If you eat this crap, you can still subscribe.
Subscribe.
See you soon.
Subscribe.